Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to use split screen on your Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. First, open two different applications so we can split the screen between them. The easiest way is to drag one application by the top bar and drop it on one side of the screen, then place the other one on the other side. You can move each application's position and resize them by dragging the invisible bar between them. Another way is to grab the top bar of a window, drag it to the top of the screen, then select the position for that app. You can position up to 4 different applications on a single screen. To use this tool more efficiently, consider Virtual Desktop since this laptop has a 13.8-inch screen that won't let you put many apps on one display without distorting the view. Swipe up with 4 fingers on the touchpad and create a new desktop. On the second desktop, you can put other applications and quickly switch between them by placing 4 fingers on the touchpad and dragging right or left. That's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.